Well, I just installed the Broaddict Trail Sight Lights here in the Bronco here. This is the driver's side right here. And this is the passenger side. I have them just to add to the look of my Bronco here. So I have them on the first circuit, so it come up with some of the front lights here. 1, 2, 3. Can't see them too good in the daytime, but they are hooked to my turn signals. I'll show those so they're on here. Turn off. That's the boot up sequence. That's for both sides of it though. Here's the driver's side. Okay. Now I'll turn on my hazard signal and see if it's over the okay. Alright, turn signals are on the vehicle, and have them synced up with the lights on the Bronco there. But it only turns on when I want to turn on, so there we go. And now we're on. I'll adjust it for you. See? They light up with my turn signals. I have a better look when it gets dark. But yeah, I have the Broaddict Trail Sight Lights in the Bronco here. They go with my lights such as fog lights there, the light bar, the top light bar, the ditch lights, and that's what it looks like. Can't see too good because it's in the daytime, but you get the idea. Got the light bar, plus the floodlights, plus the grill lights, tail sight lights, front hood light, and the ditch lights there, and then the roof light bar there. So yeah, okay. Just wanted to show it off.